Anchoring can be a helpful strategy to use when we're feeling overwhelmed or dealing with a storm of difficult thoughts, feelings, emotions, or memories that you are fused with in this moment. Anchors are anything else that there is here, right in the present moment, that's not part of the storm. Anchors can include what you see, hear, touch, taste, or smell, your breathing pattern, your posture, how your feet feel in your shoes, and what you're doing with your arms and legs. Basically anything that can help you stay present, grounded, and stay in contact with where you are and what you're doing right now. All these things can be an anchor in the midst of an emotional storm. People often have the misconception that these type of exercises are simply distraction techniques. Distraction is the very opposite of mindfulness. Distraction is turning away from what is currently here in the present moment, trying to escape it, trying to escape discomfort or pain. Mindfulness involves turning towards that discomfort, to really observe what is there in the present moment with openness and with curiosity. So take a moment just to get comfortable, whether you're sitting in your chair or lying on the ground or in your bed. Just see if you can just settle into your body. And just take note of where your anxiety is right now, between 1 and 10. Just make a quick mental note. If there's something very painful or difficult showing up for you right now, this exercise can help you get anchored in the present until the storm inevitably passes, as it always does. First, just see if you can push your feet really hard into the floor. Push them downwards and see if you can really feel the ground beneath you, supporting your feet, resisting the push. Feel what it's like for your toes, your heel, your midfoot in your shoe, or barefoot against the ground. Now sit forward in your chair and straighten up your back. And really feel the chair beneath you, how it supports you. Notice how your back and the chair is keeping you up, supporting your body and your weight. And if you're lying down, feel how the bed supports you underneath, how it lifts you up. Now slowly press your fingertips together. And as you do that, gently move your elbows and your shoulders in gentle circles. Feel your arms moving all the way from your fingers to your shoulder blades. You can rotate them forward and change direction and rotate them backwards. Take a moment to acknowledge there's a lot of discomfort here in this moment, or maybe pain that you're struggling with. You didn't ask for it, but here it is. And it's challenging and it's difficult, and maybe you want it to go away and it's still not going. Just kindly and silently acknowledge to yourself what type of pain and discomfort that is. For example, you can say to yourself, here's anxiety, here's that worry, here's that angry feeling, or here's that pain. Start to notice that thought, that feeling is separate from this part of you that can observe that pain, that discomfort, that experience. Now notice that as well as that sensation, that thought, that discomfort, that there's a body around that sensation, that experience. There's a body that you can move and that you can control. Now straighten your back again, or stretch out your body if you're lying down. And turn your attention towards your whole body. Really notice your whole body now. Your hands, your feet, your arms, legs. And really gently move them and feel them moving. Have a good stretch. Notice your muscles stretching, how it feels to expand around whatever is happening in this moment. And once again, pressing your feet down and really feel the floor, anchoring yourself in this present moment. If your eyes are closed, gently open them up and take a look around the room. Up, then down, and then side to side. And gently move your attention and count 5 things that you can see. And gently count to yourself those 5 items that you can observe. Now, gently switch your attention over to your hearing. And can you notice 4 sounds that you can hear? Maybe it's a sound that's happening within your body or around you. Now shift your attention to your sense of smell and your breathing. Can you really notice what the air in the space you're occupying smells like, what it feels like as it moves through your nostrils, how it fills your lungs, and how it moves back out through your mouth? Now shift your sensation and your awareness to what it currently tastes like in your mouth. What's the sensation in your mouth? Your teeth, your tongue against your teeth. And now moving your attention back towards the sense of touch. What does it feel like with your hands on the table or on your lap? So notice perhaps there's something very discomforting, very painful in this moment that you're struggling with. A painful thought, emotion, or sensation. And at the same time, you can also notice that there's a body in the chair or on the bed that surrounds that experience. Now gently move that body, have a stretch, and recognize and take control of your arms and legs. And really notice the room all around you, all happening in this present moment. I invite you to take one deep breath, one deep inhale, and then let go. Do you notice any difference now from the beginning of this exercise to this moment now as you've broadened your awareness? Take a moment to re-rate your anxiety between 1 and 10. Is there any difference in how you feel or how you're thinking? Are you any less caught up in the emotional storm? Do you feel any less hooked by these difficult thoughts and feelings? And less swept away by the storm? Do you notice any different sensations in your body or any changes in how you feel? Once again, move your arms and legs. Gently stretch your body. And gently and kindly thank yourself for making a choice to give this exercise a try in a moment when there is pain and discomfort.